guys, I just wanted to show you another mic in my arsenal, which I doubt will get any major use. It's a realistic, ultra-directional electric condenser microphone. 331062 is the number. It's a Radio Shack, Tandy Corporation, or whatever. This is a shotgun mic, and it has a close proximity and a distance one. So why haven't I used this for like our video talks and stuff? So there was a couple reasons. It has like the 1/8 connection there, and it's a finicky connection. This mic makes a lot of noise. Sometimes it's like almost like a ground noise. Sometimes you mess with it and it stops doing it. Even when I've tried to do like stereo miking on a camcorder with a Y connector and stuff, these connections always give out. They just come and go, they short out, they just do not seem to work very well. So I believe that all these types of mics were like mass produced in all kinds of configurations, including XLR connections, which were probably a lot better. But a lot of people say the high noise rating in these mics make them not really worthy of recording. 20 plus years ago, I recorded probably drums a little bit with these, an acoustic guitar. And yes, it has a really high volume pickup. But a lot of times you get that noise, you get the cutting in and out from the this connector or whatever. It would be really nice if we could reconfigure this with an XLR connector. So it's powered with a AA battery. I think we're gonna pull out Old Faithful here and try it. Strings are a little bit old, but we're gonna see what this guy sounds like. So one thing I'll note is it's kind of hard to get that warm, low tone out of this mic. It's not impossible. You might have to inch your guitar around and, put it over here to the bridge or behind the bridge, or put it, aim it maybe at the sound hole and go to the 6th string here and try to get some of that warmth. It has a pretty good time, easy time I should say, picking up the higher notes. Aiming about at the 12th fret here. Aim it behind the bridge. Alright, we're going to try it at the close proximity mode and see how it sounds. Take these headphones off. pick for this. So in distant mode, it kind of seems like it's harder to get the bassy to low end when I put it in close proximity mode. However, it seems like it's picking up a little bit more lows. And then again, it could just be, my headphones. Here's the thing, I listen to it in the iPhone speaker, which is a tiny little speaker, and it doesn't have enough of those low, bassy notes. And I listen to a certain headphones, and it seems like it does have them. So you be the judge. But I'm really digging the close proximity mode. It seems like it's getting a little bit more of those lows when you do that, but it's not being overdriven or whatever. And this might be something interesting to experiment with, but we have to kind of check maybe how it sounds on a stereo system.